Okay guys, welcome back to the shop. This video is going to show you how to put the little support pieces inside these window supports. I've ripped out some pieces of 1/4 inch wide 1/8 inch sheeting in cross grain fashion so that you can see it's flexible and can conform to the curve of the support on the back side. We'll put a little thick CA on this. And then we'll just lay this in here. I want to lay it with just a little bit overage so that I can sand that off and be flush. Put that on, clamp on there to hold it. Put a little drop of kicker in there. Set this up quickly. And bingo, there you are. We want 2 of those in there because there's a 1/4 square support piece here, so we want that to be flush with that. So we will put that in there. We're going to trim this off just a touch. Okay, and we'll do the same thing for this one. Little thick CA. Okay, lay that in there. Now we'll lay that in there flush with the previous one that we put in so that they'll be lined up. Put our clamp in here and add a little more kicker. There we go. Okay, now we got a nice little support in there. I think you can see that. Now we'll just take our little paint stick with some sandpaper on it. Sand this down. Keeping this stick flush with perpendicular to the formers and the fuse. Okay, now we got a nice smooth edge, and then just to toughen that up, that in there. Yeah, that's a little bit more here. Okay, add a little thin CA to that cross grain. That'll soak that up and harden that up really good. Okay, so now we've got a nice flush edge there, and this is much more rigid than it was before. Okay, we'll see you next time.